Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to upgrade Power BI query. So for this, we will go in Power BI. Now I'll click on this transform data. So the Power BI will get converted into the Power BI query. Now I want to upgrade this. So click on File, Options and Settings, click on Options, click on Preview Features. So all those additional features which you want, just tick mark on it and press OK and it's done. So this is how you can upgrade your Power BI query. For more such videos on Power BI, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to share and like this video. You can also follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.